Peta natin! Peta tayo! Antay lang! Tapusin mo yan, oh!
So what is a one-to-one function? A one-to-one function is any relation which pass both the vertical line test and horizontal line test, which means that it does not pass through the same point on the horizontal axis.
How to know if a set of points or ordered pairs considered a one-to-one function? These are just a few examples. Look at all the x values or the domains of the given ordered pairs. Notice if there are fitting values. If none, then move to the rest. If the same condition apply, then congratulations, it is a one-to-one function. Look at the next example. Notice that there are same values in the domain and range. This means that the set of ordered pairs is not considered a one-to-one function. But there is an easier way to know if the function is considered one-to-one. Notice that each ordered pairs are only connected once. This means that they are one-to-one function.
In the second example, we can see that the x values in the given example are connected more than once to the y-axis. So they are not functional relations.
Given this example, in order to know if the given relation is a one-to-one function, we must substitute the value of x in the equation with a number, for example, 1. The result of the equation will be substituted as the value of y. Replace now the value of x with -1. If the result may be the same, then it is not a one-to-one function. If the values resulted are not the same, it may be a one-to-one function. Repeat the process to make sure that the ordered pair is a one-to-one function. In the second example, the value substituted for x in the given equation is 3, which will result to a y value of 0. Thus, the ordered pair will be 3 and 0. Substitute the value with another value such as -3. The resulting value will still result to 0. Thus, 3 and 0 and -3 and 0 will be the resulting ordered pair. Thus, since 0 repeats, the relation is not a one-to-one function.
So what is an inverse function? An inverse function is a function that is the reverse of any function. F applied to an input of x gives the result of y, then it is reverse g. Inputting y will then result to x.
Here are the steps to get the inverse of a function. First, replace the variable f of x with y, then switch the x with y, because for every ordered pair, x and y, it has an y and x partner. Then solve for y. Next, isolate 2. After that, get x minus 1 to isolate y. Then subtract y to 2 over x minus 1. And finally, return f of x. Buti pa yung f of x na balik sa huli. Mali yung hugot. Here are the steps to know if a function is the inverse of the another function. We can use the composite function. First, replace the value of x with a given value of g. Cancel out the variables, then simplify. Same goes with another function. Replace the values of x with a given value of f. Then cancel out the variables, then simplify.
Papasa!